And yes, I'm aware I'm wearing a Ford shirt. Guys, welcome back to the channel driven by Owen. This is our 2023 Toyota GR86, and we're really happy to be posting our first video of 2025. We bought a new exhaust for the car, an HKS Legamax, and we're going to show you in comparison what it is now versus what it was before, just to show you the difference in sound. So this is the premium HKS Legamax exhaust. It's a bit quieter than the GR Performance exhaust, but you know, it had a pretty good deal on it, so we thought, why not just try it out? And we're actually pretty happy with the results. This would be the kind of exhaust that you would get if you didn't necessarily want a lot more noise, but a deeper tone. And it has these really nice blue tips, which I didn't really like at first, but it's kind of growing on me, and it's very high quality, made in Japan. I'm gonna cut away now to the first startup of the year in the base model exhaust. And then we'll show you clips with the new exhaust. This exhaust, it's not necessarily the loudest thing ever. However, it is 25% louder and it has a completely different tone. I'm curious to see if you guys like or dislike this exhaust. So if you have any comments about it, what you like about it, what you dislike, or if you have any ideas for us, please comment down below. Thank you for watching this video by Driven by Owen. We'll be posting a lot more driving content just like this, so you can really hear the sounds of this. And please follow and subscribe if you like what we do here. And again, thank you a lot for watching this video.